we've never changed the shockies on this old girl, and they're 30-year-old, so I reckon it might be a good idea to pull them off. Well, there's the front shocky off. It came off pretty easily actually, but they're still reasonably tight to push in. Fairly slow coming back out. You know, I mean, they're not as bad as what I thought they would be. They're certainly no good. So we'll get the back ones off and see what they're like. We're just going to give these a bit of a clean up so we can read that model number. Hopefully we can get some replacements. Just jump in here and pull the back ones off. Same sort of deal.
It's just a bit more difficult to get at. Look at that. Just comes undone that easy. My goodness. Come on. Tricky. Off you come. Okay. There we go, see? A little bit of persuasion doesn't take much. And he's off. The same unit. What does that say? A D2SFE10. And this one here. No, they're different. Oh yeah, well, look, obviously.
Good, how are you?
Not bad, mate. Do you sell shock absorbers?
Yeah.
Not yet. I've got a couple here, mate. If I give you the number, I think it's the part number, would you be able to see if you've got any in stock?
Yeah, I'll have a look.
Yeah, these are Munro GT gas. See what we can work out. See if we can get some shocks for the old Jeep. Alright, we just got back out of Repco. They didn't have the front ones, I got to order them in. That'll be next week because it's Friday afternoon now. And they had ones for the back. Part number's slightly different. Obviously they've just changed it in the last 30 years, fancy that. They do look a little bit more heavy duty, but they should be good to go, so we'll rip home. Munro, Australian made. I hope it's still Australian made.
So go home, we'll try that. Successfully picked up some shocks. Nice. Let's go and see if they fit in there. Same length, that's a good thing. Not a great deal of difference there in pressure to press down, to tell you the truth. One comes up a whole lot faster. A big difference. Same weight to push down, but look at that, the old one struggling to come back. So let's say that make a difference. That's a 4x4 gas Magnum by Munro. There you go. Let's pop. There you have it.
I'm just fitting the old shock absorbers to the front back on, since I've got to wait for the replacement ones to come back in. And there we're done. Set of new shock abs on the back, heavy duty 4x4. Just get our front ones and we're good to go again.